Congress is deadlocked, and there are just days left before America can no longer pay all its bills. So where does Senator Scott Brown stand? Last week, Scott Brown stood with congressional Republicans, voting for a proposal that could force cuts to Social Security, Medicare, and other vital programs, while protecting tax breaks for oil companies and CEOs who take corporate jets. Now Scott Brown won't say where he stands, even though America is just days away from not having enough money to issue Social Security checks, pay our military, and provide veterans benefits. Does Scott Brown still support congressional Republicans and their latest proposal that protects tax breaks for millionaires? Or does Scott Brown support the Senate Democrats' plan that reduces the deficit while protecting funding for Social Security, Medicare, and other vital programs? Tell Senator Scott Brown it's time to stand for a plan that protects ordinary Americans, not tax breaks for millionaires. Paid for and authorized by 1199 SEIU United Healthcare Workers East.